Have you ever accidentally deleted important files from your Android phone and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? Maybe it was irreplaceable photos from a special occasion, important contacts, critical documents, or videos you can never recreate. And the worst part, you had no backup, no Google Drive sync, nothing, just gone. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people use their Android data every single day through accidental deletion, a phone that crashed, or a factory reset they didn't plan carefully. And most people assume that without the backup, the data is lost forever. But what if that's not entirely true? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover lost data from your Android device without a backup, and how to get your photos, videos, contacts, messages, and documents back before it's too late. So stay with me until the end, because every minute counts when it comes to data recovery. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly understand why recovering deleted Android data without a backup is so challenging. Most Android devices rely on backups, either local storage or Google Drive, for recovery. If they didn't enable Google Drive backup, or if it wasn't syncing regularly, then the usual restore from backup options simply won't work for you. When a file is deleted on Android, it isn't immediately wiped from your device's memory. But the longer you wait, the more likely new data will override those deleted files, making recovery harder or even impossible. This is why you need to act fast. The problem can affect everything: photos, videos, contacts, call logs, text messages, documents, and more. Fortunately, all hope is not lost. There are still effective ways to attempt recovery, and I'll walk you through the most reliable one right now. The most powerful and reliable method I have found for recovering Android data without a backup is called DroidKit, available at droidkit.org. DroidKit is a professional Android data recovery and system repair solution specifically designed to help you recover lost data, even when you have no backup at all. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech savvy to use it. There is no routing required, no complicated commands, just a clean, easy-to-follow interface that guides you step by step. DroidKit is trusted by over 1 million users worldwide, so you know you're in good hands. Alright, let's get into the actual step wherein we'll use DroidKit to recover your deleted Android data. First, download and install DroidKit on your Windows PC or Mac. You can grab it from the link in the video description below. And don't forget, there's a special 20% discount waiting for you there too. So check out for coupons in the description box. Once you have launched DroidKit, look for the data recovery option on the home screen and click on it. From the list of recovery modes, select the type of data you want to recover, whether that's photos, contacts, messages, videos, or documents. DroidKit's Deep Scan mode is specifically built to search your Android device for deleted data without needing any backup. Next, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure USB debugging is enabled on your phone. If it is not, DroidKit will guide you through this. Once your device is recognized, hit the Start button to begin the scan. DroidKit will now deep scan your device, searching for any recoverable data. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your storage, so enjoy a cup of coffee while you wait. Once the scan is complete, you will see a preview of all the recoverable files organized by category: photos, videos, contacts, messages, and more. Next, we'll browse through the results and select exactly what you want to recover. You can choose specific files, entire categories, or everything at once. Then click on Recover to Computer to save them safely or restore them directly back to your phone. It's really that simple. Data recovery is just one piece of what DroidKit offers. If your Android device has other issues, DroidKit has got you covered there too. It can remove screen locks, bypass FRP locks on Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, and other brands without losing your data. It can also fix system issues, reinstall your Android OS, clean up junk files to free up storage space, and even extract data from a broken device that won't turn on. It's essentially a complete toolkit for any Android problem you might face. So, to wrap things up, if you have lost important data from your Android device and have no backup, don't panic, you have options. The most effective and easiest solution is DroidKit. It scans your device directly, lets you preview your recovered data before you commit, and doesn't require any technical knowledge or routing. Whether you lost your files from accidental deletion, a crash, or a factory reset, DroidKit gives you the best shot at getting them back. I have left a link in the description below where you can download DroidKit and try it for yourself. Make sure to use that link to grab an attractive 20% discount. Now, if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below, let me know if DroidKit worked for you. I would love to hear your recovery success story. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your data back.